Omugavana bwe county ya Kisii Kisii Arati nigachakia omurobere bw'okwena chineti chegotanga chumbu ime county ya Kisii asata gatie chibunge kwene kyomurobere yongo karekole kibwikiranu egatie chibunge nchumbo machoge borabu amonere yabo basi asineti wetene chiribu chimikianda chirache kwena no gochasa bamenyi bari bairigeti ya sebono murobere yorache koira matukatano arebosio Sabono Mugavana abaine kiringa keroyomo bwerigete nachikonyora chineti ekyo.
My administration has engaged other malaria control, malaria treatment, prevention of malaria in pregnancy, which is being rolled out in Bonchari and South Mugango sub-counties. In order to restore repair, which is being done in high endemic regions. Our aim is to totally eradicate all malaria cases in the county, and let me take this opportunity to appeal to residents to support government initiatives towards the malaria prevention and control. As for the mosquito nets campaign, this year Kisii County has received a total of 941,368 nets that will be issued out to the household of or in 581 distribution posts. The distributions criteria is averagely one net for 2 people within the entire county population. Therefore, the nets have been evenly and equitably distributed within the 9 constituencies.
Igobono Mugavana abasemerie abamenyi yabo kubwacha machiko yo gotumeka chineti ekyo asigati yabo eregotiga gochitumeka asemegondo yabo.
I urge our people to use the bed net appropriately. Avoid using them around kitchen, garden, and keeping them in wardrobes awaiting visitors. Also, let us all adhere to hygienic standards such as cleaning our compounds to eliminate stagnant water and the breeding grounds for mosquito.
Igati yabo MC bari baikirana nigo bagani abamenyi gotumeka chineti ekyo asinchira enkia.
Ushirikiano ye county government, the national government, togote ikero monto le Kisii County gochaka bono for the next 5 days au ye neti yaye barare ndani ya neti tufukuze malaria.
Igati yabaria banyachineti ekyo nigo bamwakira omugavana Simba Ngambu yamono asogwikirania omurobere yo.
Nagokeire chineti iki omugavana ito atorendeire twasoime sebitanda. Iyi nemirimo miya omugavana ito akorire nandi twanyegokeire agendere gukora imirimo iyi nandi omugavana ito naisaine.
Ireke kebindie komo yo minto omugavana minto Simba Arati akorire igona inje ngotebie bari batarechesete kango bajita sobonge gose baje nonye mbarera chesta baminyokanie sobonge egere gente kene kiya mwasimu goitaretete
ture nyinge chiumbwe chimogete tigo mugavana ito agenderere motu etaya yoke nande ngotebia ase bari bachaete omuroberi oyo ng'a ngochaka gutwenge chineti kaki basirie gento kere kia maana ikiagere chiumbunjie chito chande.
Reporteria Yominto TV kore county ya Kisii Lieutenant Petrol Machin.